To your top, there is mic button, right?
Yeah. I am right now audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah.
Suresh, on your right at the top, there is people, right? People.
Yeah.
Click on that and change your name, edit your name, right? Sanjeev Verma to.
Yes.
Just a moment. Suresh, the panel is joining within 1 minute.
Okay.
Hi, Madhu. Good afternoon.
Hi Kalyan. Hi Suresh.
Hi, Madhu.
Hi. How are you, Suresh?
I'm good.
Yeah, thank you so much.
What about you?
Am I audible here from my end? Am I audible? You're able
Yeah,
to
yes,
hear
yes.
me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing great, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you.
Suresh, let's start with the interview.
Yeah.
Please go ahead and introduce yourself, your experience in DevOps tools,
Yes.
CI/CD process that you have worked on, and orchestration tools that you are good at,
Yeah.
and AWS services that you have hands on.
Yes. Hi, once again. Good afternoon. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Suresh Raju Vetikuri. I have overall experience in 4 years in IT, and I have relevant experience in DevOps and Agile methodologies in 3 years. And past years, I have been working with Skylab Infotech Private Limited. Is a build and release engineer for this my role. Coming to my skills and hands-on experience of Linux and provision experience of Git version control system and build tool Maven. I am good experience in Jenkins. Jenkins is automation way to CI/CD process, and I also experience in self scripting is day-to-day activities doing, and some scripts are running to notified to required results, and create the playbooks and writing the configurations about the different servers also. I am doing in I am want to applicable to in Docker and Kubernetes. It is the microservice architecture. So I am good knowledge about these things and practically. And also using in nowadays you have Helm charts is also is monitoring to the monitoring tools Prometheus Graph, and I am doing in Kubernetes cluster monetizations that purpose to using this monetization tools. It is doing an it is basically I am creating in these servers and all those stuff is the in based of cloud platform in the AWS. Uh, its infrastructure is code maintained to the it is AWS also. And well, coming to my roles and responsibilities, I have best good and experience of Jenkins pipeline flows. It's doing build and release engineer for 3 years of experience. Is doing my team members of collaborators of other teams are doing in the CI/CD process. I'm using Maven generator of artifacts and store in binary repositories and doing in experience this type of areas are well experienced. Developer side of facing any issues or any team to involvements of any issues facing of different taking the tickets, doing better understanding of that issue to solve the resolve that particular issues and collaborating with other teams. After deployment is to verify the logs whether the application is working or not. That is way to implementation, what is the application is working or not to how to implementation of software life cycle, good steps to software life cycle. And also monitoring the cluster using Prometheus Grafana is my side of view. It is the roles and responsibilities. Hello, Madhu.
Suresh, give me 2 minutes of time, okay?
Okay.
One. So sorry, Suresh. I'm so
Okay,
sorry.
okay.
Okay. So let us start with Docker.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, how good you are with Docker? Like, we are looking for a candidate who has strong knowledge on Docker microservice architecture,
Okay.
creating a microservice architecture where we have application with several containers. You need to run each container, each service in one container, something like that.
Okay.
Have you worked in that kind of scenario?
Yeah. It
Okay.
is doing in
Can you write?
my side of view is a Docker file writing in some Docker images, creating of Docker containers. That is the scenarios based of it is a container built in my side of architecture.
Okay, so you have worked on only Docker file or
Yeah.
Docker compose file and Docker spam as well?
Yes. Yeah, I'm doing in only for Docker file. I written
Okay,
Docker
not
file.
Docker.
Yeah.
Not Docker compose.
No. It is doing in a
Okay.
small of it is a UBS. It is a product based company. Have to do and some piece of web servers, HTTP and some WordPress servers are there, web servers. It is doing in deploying to the Kubernetes cluster. That is the applications. It is the CI/CD flow and the maintain the entire process. So different teams are there. That is the way my side.
Oh. Okay. So you are good with Kubernetes?
Yes.
Okay, so which deployment strategies is that you are working on? You have worked on?
Is doing in my side of it is a deployment. It is written in YAML format of manifest files are written there. It is deployment and service manifest files is doing in outside of the world to expose that application. That is my side of strategy to implementation of Kubernetes cluster.
When I mean to say strategy, is it like
Yes, it's doing an entire CI/CD process. The
no,
strategy.
is it an rolling update or blue green or canary that you have
It's
worked
a rolling
on? When I
updates.
mean,
Basically, I'm doing in some previous versions of that particular applications. That is the rolling updates to replica sets, replication controller doing that way.
okay.
That is the my side
So
of view.
what is the difference between replication set and deployment?
Replication set is doing in the inside of the pod. The node inside of the pod is certain inside of the node is certain pods there. It is maintained that replica set. It is the count of doing you can mention in replica set number. There is no creation of other person is doing not accepted. It is a certain amount of pods are running in this Kubernetes cluster. These are replicas. Deployments, you asking the question is deployments is basically it is the resource objects is doing of application of updating a number of pods is running doing that is the rolling back updates. That is the major things are their deployments. That is
Okay, so as you know that deployment stands to be higher hierarchy compared to replica set. Okay.
yeah.
As you said, replica set will have a number of pods in account and will scale up or scale down.
Yeah.
Why do we require a deployment actually?
Deployment is basically doing of some the running of backend doing in rolling updates, the particular running of applications, the versioning purpose to use. It is the source of objecting. That is the way to deployment is working to Kubernetes cluster.
Okay.
Your voice
So
is some
you are good in
disturbances
writing
there.
Okay. Are you good in writing pod file? I mean manifest file.
Yes.
Can you write a simple YAML file, a simple pod spec file for say that application? Say that you have one pod with two containers, and the replica set is added, and you need to change from version 1 to version 2. Can you write such kind of an YAML file by sharing your screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, please share your screen.
It is doing in share screening right now button.
You have an option to share the screen next to audio button.
Yes, yes. These are different options there.
You can see the desktop window option there. Yeah, there you go. You can share the notepad.
Okay, okay. Share the screen.
I see you have shared the screen. You can share the notepad.
Okay. I'm seeing the screen right now.
No, now I'm unable to see.
Notepad is not display.
No, it's not visible. No, it's not visible.
Okay, okay. How to share the screen?
Are you unable to share the screen?
Yes, right now it is share the screen.
I think it's getting shared. 1 minute. I see only blue screen.
Yeah.
Can you reshare it?
Yes, yes. I'm sharing right now.
Okay. Can you open the notepad?
Yes, so open the notepad also. I am you not see my desktop.
No, I'm unable to see it.
What happening?
Okay, you can just explain if you are good at it.
Okay. It is doing in first of all API version. It's doing that way. API version. You can mention that you can mention that particular version. V1, V2, V2.3. That is the API version. Kind is the service. What kind is the service or deployment? What type of you can do pod is created or not. It is a sample file is explained that way. After that metadata, you can see the metadata. It is the name of that particular application. That name is doing in the which node is doing inside of the pod is running of the application. We can mention that name. Specifications, you can set that particular activity you have to do in selector. Selector is the app node app is doing. Type, after the type and port numbers are exposed, that particular service type of pods doing that way. It is outside of the world, my side of view. You can that is the way to the ports are explained to the protocols. Protocols is a TCP protocol. It is the port number is exposed to something 5000 there. It is a target port. It is a 5000. What is the node port is doing in that is the display of port. It is the mention is the mandatory port I am doing right now. 5000 is that is my mention. It is the Nginx server 8080. That is the my side of explanation. My side of mention that port number. Also, it is a cluster IP to node port. It is outside the world is connected to that application. Doing that, it is a mention is automatically displayed in the Kubernetes cluster node port. That is way to expose the outside the world that IP address and the port number. That is way to my side of application is running on the Kubernetes cluster.
Okay, okay, thank you so much. So, how good you are with Jenkins?
Jenkins is it is good for my team is working in Jenkins. Is CI/CD process entirely automated way.
Okay, okay. So, have you created CI/CD pipeline?
Yes. Is doing in a
Okay.
declarative way. Is I am using a Groovy scripting as well as I am working that way.
Okay, okay. Which one do you think is a better, Groovy or scripted? Sorry, scripted or declarative?
Is scripted or declarative is doing well.
No, then why, if both are same, why do we have scripted and declarative?
Its scripted is different, sir. Is doing an programmatical background of scripted of that file is doing. It is a difficult way that, but declarative is the human readable format to understand everyone. Two differences.
Okay.
It is basically I am using an a declarative pipeline. Every technology
Can
is a
you-
communication. Yeah.
Can you explain me the steps involved in the declarative pipelines
Yes, it is doing in
for CI/CD process?
it is a CI/CD process is the completely the good product of the software industry level. It is basically is doing everyone is the good practices to end to end. It is automated way. It is once developer is push the code and test is automated way to build and generate the artifacts to deploy to the particular application in which environments to do. That's it is the process of doing an declarative pipeline is the different stages, steps, and different way to syntax based. You can integrate whatever outside of the technologies of Jenkins is communicated with .hpi plugins. These are customized plugins to do that is integration of technologies to different stages to different environments to do in the deployments of this application. Whatever you need of application, that is the my side of declarative pipeline. Yeah, Madhusud. Hello.
Sorry, are you good with Elastic Container Services?
What?
Have you worked on Elastic Container Services?
No.
Okay. Which AWS services you are good at?
It is doing an AM role, basically EC2 and load balancers, auto scaling,
Okay.
and
Okay, got it.
yeah.
Got it. So in DevOps,
Okay.
in AWS, which DevOps tool is that you are good at?
It's doing in
There are
some
several like code deploy, code pipeline, Elastic Beanstalk, ECS, EKS. Which one is that you are good at?
Road 53. It is a VPC subnet level. I'm working that way. It is doing in these
Okay.
servers.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Yes.
Got it. Thank you so much, Suresh, for joining call. This was first level of interview to understand, to just screen for a further process. Okay.
Okay.
You'll get an update from HR by EOD. Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
You not screen the share. Share this screen. My side is not doing. You are not visible right now.
You are visible. No, I mean to say,
Yeah.
this is first level of screening to go with the further level of interviews. Okay.
Okay.
So, thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhusudhan. You, please reply back to the good report.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye.